Hello and welcome to FNU University. We know you are excited about studying your online classes, and we want to give you a little tutorial so you can be ready and start doing your best work. First, www.fnu.edu. This is our main webpage at the school, and here you can click on Current Student and you will have access to your Blackboard and your email. When you click on Blackboard, you will have the option to put username and password. Your username, remember, is the school email. So we're talking about the first letter of your name plus your last name plus the last four numbers of your student ID at stu.fnu.edu. Your password is the first letter of your name, in my case M, uppercase, 33012 for Hialeah Campus and Online, or 33175 for South Campus, and once again the last four numbers of your student ID, 2250. As soon as you have that, you click on Login, and you will see the courses that you have, usually one or two. Then you click on the course that you need, and voila, you are inside your course. Every course at Florida National University comes in the same format. We have a menu and a main page. So when you click on announcements, for example, you'll see the announcements for the class. This week we have a student survey and a student self-enrollment option and information about Blackboard Collaborate. After you read this, and for example in the case of the survey, you click on it and do it, you're already good with the announcement part. But then you have to go to syllabus. Why syllabus? Because as any other class, you need to know what is going to happen week by week. So how this works? You click on the document and boom, you can see all the information about the course in the syllabus. About your instructor. You have an instructor, and it's always good to know how to contact. So we have two options, phone or email. We really prefer emails because on emails you can give a full detail of what is going on with your course. For example, Professor, I have a problem and I couldn't send my homework yesterday. Is there any chance that I can send it to you today? Now the professor knows who is it, what is your student ID number, in which course you are, and he can help you better. On lectures, you're going to have PowerPoint presentations and information that is useful for you week by week. Let's click on week 1. As you can see, you're going to have all the chapters for the week in order for you to complete the knowledge that you have to have for every assignment. This is something that will help you, but is highly recommended and in most cases necessary to have your book. Then you go to assignments. Here's where the magic happens. That means that you're going to do your homework right here. You don't have to go campus or you don't have to send it by email. Everything can be done here in the Blackboard platform. You click on your week, click here, and then the professor is going to give you the week assignments, week by week, and you know what you have to do. It is important to know that you're going to have week assignments, midterms, finals, quizzes, and everything will be done here on Blackboard. If you have a midterm, you click on it and start it. Let's check this example. We click on assignment. We know this is what we have to do. We open a Word document. And start answering the questions. Then you save it. Go browse my computer and attach it as you do on your emails. When you see here that is acceptable format, when we said acceptable formats, we were talking about Microsoft Docs, X is gonna be Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, everything from Microsoft. For people with Mac, we recommend you to get Microsoft for Mac users, because Pages, for example, on Google's or the system for Mac is not compatible with Blackboard. Then you click on Submit and you're done. What about quizzes? Once again, everything is going to be done in Blackboard, so you go on Quiz, click Begin, and you're going to have, in this case, a limit of 1 hour. It can go from 1 hour to 3 hours depending on how long it's going to be. That applies for midterms and finals too. As soon as you click on Begin, you have to start and finish the test in one sit. And it's highly recommended that you have a good internet connection and a space that you can concentrate and do your best work. Then when we go to discussion boards, you're going to have the option to introduce yourself, get questions and concerns. And in some cases, you're going to have discussions week by week to enrich your knowledge. You click on Introduction, click on Create Thread, and here you answer the questions and give a subject. Then you just submit and you're done. Tools. Tools is a really important part of our platform. Here you can send emails, you can see your results, you can send course messages, you can have, for example, when you send an email, you can have the email sent to all users or just your teacher, your observers, whoever you need to send the information to. Let's say that you're going to send it just to the instructors. You click on the instructor and you'll see who's your professor and who is sending it. In this case, it's going to be me. You send the subject and the message. It is important to remember, always have your username and password for your email, because you can send emails from Blackboard, but you can only see the answer of your instructor on Outlook. Here, when you go to course documents, it's similar to the lectures. You're going to have information that will help you understand your class better. Textbook is the option that we have to give you textbook to give you the best way to get your book. You need the ISBN and the name to find it in the school. You can buy it here in the university, or you can buy it on Amazon, Check, and any other webpage that you prefer. About student resources, if you forget how to do things or you have any kind of doubt, just click here on Blackboard Support and you can see all the numbers of the Contact Online Learning. Please give us a call, send us an email. If you want to come to the campus, we always here from 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. Once again, you are not alone. You are an online student with a full team helping you to succeed in your class. I hope this training will help you succeed in your courses, and we will be here for you guys.